Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Uber's passive-aggressive emails going to the next level yet again. What's going on? Come on.
Yeah, man, I got this from South Carolina. This driver says, by the way, in the funnies, we're going to show a screenshot, right? Okay.
Yep.
In fact, let's jump on that real quick. Just show that screenshot real quick.
Oh, which one?
The one in the middle of the ocean.
Oh, okay. I mean, I got both of them on.
That's the same driver. So that happened. Because, okay, you guys see this on the right hand side real quick. See where the rider's pin is, literally in the middle of the water. So now let's go back. And so the guy goes. The timer did not start because I'm not close enough. You know what I mean? Because the pin is in the ocean, right? And then he canceled, and they sent this to him. Think about this. Your account has been flagged. We take safety cancellations very seriously.
I'm sorry. I think that's I think that's a massive safety concern right there. You want me to drive into the water?
Yeah. Think about that.
I mean,
and then this passive aggressive bullshit was really strong at Lyft. Now, obviously, Uber is doing it. He goes, hey, David, our systems show that you continue to make a large number of safety-related cancellations. Bro, your own app says so. If you don't feel safe, cancel.
Yeah, and doesn't it also say,
by
like,
the way, on the cash chips it goes?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter as long as if you feel unsafe. So how do you know that this person just doesn't feel unsafe? Like, are you that person?
Yeah,
No.
algo.
So then stay out of it.
Yeah, well, they won't stay out of it. And then he goes, we take safety cancellations very seriously and ask you to use them only when you feel unsafe. Uber.
Oh, Sherlock.
Seriously. I mean, I know you have some sort of algo or whatever written for this too. I know it's an automatic cut and paste garbage email, but, I mean, where does this end? I don't know. Please note that they're excessively using the safety cancellation feature improperly when safety is not an actual concern. Well, it's going to be a major concern in the cash chips, Uber. Major concern. And Uber says on the cash chip, by the way, they go like, if you feel unsafe, please cancel the chip. And then I do that, and then I get this. Yeah, we're independent contractors, all right. Indicates misuse of the platform, harms other Uber users, investigation of your account. If a safety issue has in fact occurred, please report it through the help menu. What in the hell, Uber? Seriously, man. Stop abusing people, man. This is abuse, mental abuse. This is all kinds of whatever abuse this is. Stop it. I know a lot of drivers don't care, Chris. They go like, screw them, I ignore it. But this is mental abuse.
But the fact, for some, absolutely. And for the fact, I mean, do you know how many people I see on Facebook groups or, even on X that tag me? And it's like, get this, what should happen or what should I do? And it's like, they're already worried about it. You can tell them, hey, don't worry about it. But, they're already worried. They're already stressing out. So it's like, this stuff doesn't need to happen. First off, if somebody feels unsafe, they feel unsafe. I mean, I'm sorry, but if you have a pin going into the ocean and then say, hey, this is unsafe because you want me to go into the ocean, well, I kind of have a problem with that. I'm not going to drown because you want me to go to the pin, which is in the water. I mean, come on. And, you don't know what that person is driving around. You don't know what that person might know, have that second sense. I mean, how many times have you gone to a ride and you knew something before it actually happened, whether it was good, whether it was bad? I mean,
we're the ones on the street, bro. We're the ones in the cars. We're the ones on the street. We're the ones delivering. How does your fucking algo know what I'm going through out there? Huh?
It doesn't. It doesn't.
If you go to some goddamn trips, maybe you will figure that out. And you know what? When you introduce the cash chips, I'm sure you have people in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm sure you have people in San Antonio, Texas. I'm sure you have people in those 3 cities coming up. Why don't you get in your fucking cars, Uber employees, and do a few cash chips? Let's see how that goes for you. Okay? Do it. Yeah, there you go. It's one way to do it. Fucking
For
whatever.
sure.
Anyway,
All right,
buddy. So stop the abuse, man. Stop the abuse. And then call us independent contractors. Like, just stop it.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.